Problem 21 states, given the following values and access probabilities, select the correct weight balance tree. So we have B is 6%, D is 3%, H is 7%, G is 18%, A is 31%, and F is 35%. So let's go to .cam to work out this solution. So when we do this, what we need to do is the first step is we would use a quick sort, which is big O of n log n, to be able to sort the values. We sort them by value, not probability. So we're going to say A, remember A is 0.31. Then we're going to have B is 0.06, D 0.03. We have F is 0.35. We're going to have G is 0.18, and then H is going to be 0.07. So at each stage, you would sum these up. Now, I'm going to sum these up. You're not going to have to in the first iteration because they should add up to 1. And they do. So the first thing we do, each iteration, is we do one of two things. Either we find a value that is greater than 1/3 of the weight. So in this case, it's 0.333, and F happens to be this. So that's going to become the first value, that is the root node of the weight balance tree. So what we need to know is we need to know the weight on the left and the weight on the right. So what would happen is we would say weight left, 0.31 plus 0.06 is 0.37, plus 0.03 is going to be 0.4. And weight right is going to be 1 minus 0.4 minus 0.35 is going to be 0.025. So then we have left and right. And then we do the same thing. We look through, we see that A happens to be greater than 0.4 divided by 3. So that's going to be the new root here. And then we see that we have B and D left. B is going to be greater than D. So we have A, B, and D in that order. When we do G and H, we see that G is greater, and then H is going to be here. So this is our final weight balanced tree. So let's compare that with our choices. We see that F is the root. We have A, B, and D. H and G is wrong here in choice B. So in choice C is our correct answer.